The Book of Psalms, chapter 139. O YAHUAH, you have searched me and know me. You know my sitting down and my rising up. You understand my thought from afar. You sift my path and my lying down, and know well all my ways. For there is not a word on my tongue, but see, O YAHUAH, you know it all. You have closed me in behind and before, and laid your hand upon me. Knowledge too wondrous for me. It is high. I am unable to reach it. Where would I go from your spirit? Or where would I flee from your face? If I go up into the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in Sheol, see, you are there. I take the wings of the morning. I dwell in the uttermost parts of the sea. There too your hand would lead me, and your right hand hold me. If I say, darkness shall cover me, then night would be light to me. Even darkness is not dark for you. But night shines as day, as is darkness, so is light. For you possess my kidneys. You have covered me in my mother's womb. I give thanks to you, for I am awesomely and wondrously made. Wondrous are your works, and my being knows it well. My bones were not concealed from you when I was shaped in a hidden place, knit together in the depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body, and in your book all of them were written, the days they were formed, while none was among them. And how precious are your thoughts to me, O El! How great has been the sum of them! If I should count them, they would be more than the sand. When I wake up, I am still with you. Oh, that you would kill the wrong, O Eloha. Depart from me, therefore, men of bloodshed. They speak against you wickedly. Bring your enemies to naught. O YAHUAH, do I not hate them who hate you? And do I not loathe those who rise up against you? With a complete hatred, I hate them. They have become my enemies. Search me, O El, and know my heart. Try me and know my thoughts, and see if an idolatrous way is in me, and lead me in the way everlasting.